Who's the legend, strong and bold, a story that must now be told. In Jansen, Manila, he's the boss. He makes every single patient gloss. It's the one, the only Doc John. Doc John.
Hello, John. Birthday mo na naman. Taon-taon na lang nagbe-birthday ka. Which is, ayos yun, man. I wish you more birthdays to come. And I wish you more good health and more blessings and more money. Alright. Good luck to you. And good luck to your family. And God bless.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday! Hope you have a good day, and we miss you, love you. Bye!
We wish you good health and maraming salamat for being a part of this big family of the Santiagos. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. Thank you.
Yeah, Jansen, Manila! Ang Lodi, Doc John! Pasok sa klinika, ang bossing parang di tumatanda. Mga pasyente artistahin sa galing niya'y bilib na. Angas ni Doc John sa trono walang papantay. Glow up ang hatid, sa'yo'y bagong-bagong buhay. Kasama si Joanne, reyna ng kanyang kaharian. Justin Seneca, ang future kanyang pangalan. Si Doc John yan, angat sa lahat. Si Doc John yan, the living legend. Doc John, yeah, the legend. Kilala ng lahat. Sa Jansen, Manila, #1 ang katas. Mga chika girls, always present, G. Pero ang reyna, si Miss Joanne, the key. Sa looks at sa galing, never nag-fail, no loss. Idol ng lahat, si Doc John, palaging panalo. Si Doc John, palaging panalo.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! God bless you and stay safe always.
65 years old. Wow, social security na yan. Dapat mag-retired ka na, enjoy lang. But as long as you enjoy it,
Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito John! We hope you have a good one. God bless!
Maligayang kaarawan, Kuya Jan. Dalangin ko ang iyong magandang kalusugan, patuloy na biyaya, at walang hanggang kagwapuhan. Happy birthday, bro, idol.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Enjoy life, enjoy your apo, and peace of mind always. Happy birthday!
happy birthday, Big Ninong!
Bawat paghinga't pag-asa, pangalan mo ang tanging natira. Tinawid mo ang dilim, liwanag ka sa aming damdamin. O Doc John, alamat ka, sa puso namin buhay ka. Ang iyong galing, isang himala, alay sa bayan dakila.